哈登被交易至骑士，如何评价他的快船生涯？一起来看哈登快船生涯5佳球。
Harden drives inside. Over the shoulder pass to Jones, fields it low, shoots it high, and rips the cords. Back-to-back threes for the Clippers. They lead by 10. The Clippers out in front by 19. Throws it right away. Harden the other way. Coffee riding shotgun gets the grab. Oh, comes in and flushes it down. 56-35 Clippers. It'll be Cavaliers ball to start the fourth, but will the Clippers have the lead? Harden goes to work, gets around Mobley and straight to the rim. Put it in the highlight reel. Wow, what a play by Harden. Five to shoot for Harden. On Young. Gonna have to bail him out. Oh, he put it in! The shot of the night! James Harden counted on a foul! Harden. This is for the lead. Oh,